I want to talk tonight about doing restores. A lot of people, when they think about a crypto wallet, they think of it as just this permanent storage that they never have to worry about again. And they buy a hardware wallet, they put crypto in there, and then they take the hardware wallet and stick it in a safe, thinking that it's good forever, right? For your ancestors can pull it out and it'll be fine. Well, that it's a good way to think of crypto as safe and secure, but that's really not a good way to think about a crypto wallet. Now, the seed phrase is permanent, your 24-word seed phrase, but the wallet itself is pretty much useless if you don't know how to manage your crypto. I've talked about this many times. I get blue in the face talking about this. But a lot of people pull out an old device, and now that ledger devices have been around for 10 years now, I'm getting a lot of comments and questions from people that have decided to access their crypto that they had stored on an old ledger, Nano X. That's usually the most common one that people bought back in the day. And then when they go to restore, because the device is worn out, or not functioning properly for whatever reason, because it really wasn't meant to last forever. It's an electronic device, just like any device you might buy. It's going to wear out eventually. So when they go to restore, they end up not being able to do it because the device tells them their seed phrase is invalid. Now, this could be for a number of reasons. A couple of them are, in writing it down. You wrote it down incorrectly. If you wrote it down incorrectly, you're in trouble, but there's hope, right? We'll talk about that. But a lot of times people, as they're doing the restore, fat finger it, as I would say. And we'll talk about how that can happen as well. When you're doing a restore on a new device like a Ledger Nano X, or maybe you bought a Ledger Nano S Plus, or even a Stax or a Flex, as you're punching in letters, you're presented with a list of words that are possible words. So as you type in the first three letters, it says, oh, it must be one of these 5 words. And so you get an interface that shows you a list of words. Well, a lot of people might accidentally click on one of the wrong words and not realize it. And that might be kind of, something that could be improved on the restore interface. Like, hey, is your word fish? Yes or no, and then you click confirm. But it doesn't. It says as soon as you see the word and you click on it, it disappears and it asks you for the next word. So we'll talk about that. And hopefully some of you out there that are having this issue might be able to take heart or figure out what you did wrong with some of these tips and tricks I'll talk about tonight. Because I'm not going to just show you one of my seed phrases, but I do need to kind of show you the words so you can see what we're dealing with here. So this is a 24-word seed phrase. It's, of course, random and empty, right? And I'm going to paste it over here in a text file so I can get a look at it. And we'll just assume that I'm trying to do a restore using this seed phrase. So let's take a look at it here. Now, one of the things that you might have done when you wrote, if this was your official seed phrase, you might have done something weird like wrote the wrong word. Instead of gift, we wrote give. The human brain is capable of all sorts of weird stuff, right? You might see a word and just write it down incorrectly. And that could be a problem. But if you're comparing it to the word list, So let's say that I did, when I saw the word gift on my screen, because you don't, when you are initializing a hardware wallet, these words are being presented to you on your device, right? So you see the word gift and you write down the word give. So if you are going through all of these and looking for perhaps to double check all of these words, let's look in G. And the word that we should have written was gift, but we wrote give by mistake. Well, G-I-V, look at that. The word give is not in the list at all. So you could check and say, hey, look, the word give, if I wrote this word down incorrectly, and I'm using my piece of paper to restore, and I get invalid seed phrase, and then I go back through my list again, word by word, and check if each word is in the official list or not, and I get to the word that I wrote, give, and I see, look, G-I-V-E is not in the list. But another four-letter word that starts with G-I is in the list. So I must have written down the wrong word, and I should have been gift and not give, right? So that's one way that you might be able to fix your problem. There it is. All right, so let me get this seed phrase going. So our first word is citizen. All right, so we'll start to type. Let's go to C. All right, okay, so CI was enough for them to say, okay, now we're at words, right? So I need to get to, use the right button to get to, my word is citizen, right? That's the word I want. But it's quite easy to accidentally just click the wrong word, right? So you're at your word, you see your word is citizen, but maybe you click too early, or maybe you slide to the next word accidentally, and then you click it, and now you've entered a wrong word, even though you had the right word written down correctly. Your fingers, you did a typo on the device when you were confirming your word. Notice there, when I clicked that word, it didn't ask me, hey, is this your word? Yes or no, or confirm, okay, nothing like that. All I did was I was on top of the word, I clicked both buttons, and then the word disappeared. And that, I think, is happening to a lot of people, is that they are entering the wrong word mistakenly right on the device, even though they have the correct word written down. Right, so I just kind of wanted to show you these two. But if you have a seed phrase that you wrote down and you're getting invalid seed phrase, first check the list, check the word list, and against every word that you wrote down. Sometimes your I might look like an L, or your U might look like an O. I had a guy that he had written down the word done. Right? So if you look here, D-O-N-E is not in the list, right? So, okay, he had written down the word D-O-N-E and it was not in the list. So what I did was I looked through the list for another four-letter word very similar to done. And you know what I found? Dune. D-U-N-E. Almost identical to the word done if you wrote your U very messy and it looked like an O. Or you looked at the word Dune on your device and your eyes weren't that great and that U looked like an O to you as you were reading it off your device and you thought it was done and you wrote down D-O-N-E instead of D-U-N-E, right? So the first recourse, if the only thing between you and your crypto is a seed phrase and a new device that's giving you an invalid phrase, go back and look at the 24-word seed phrase list. That might be the answer. And then if everything checks out, and yes, your phrase is correct, it seems to be written down correctly, go back again and try to very carefully do your restore on your device and make sure that each word, that when you click confirm, when you click those two buttons, that it is indeed the word that you're reading off your piece of paper and not you've accidentally clicked the wrong word on input, right? So check your phrase, your written phrase, against the word list, or go back and carefully try to re-enter your words once again.